get everything well incorporated. When making yours, like I always say, you can leave for like 2 weeks to sit for like 2 weeks before you now pound and package. Because this is a tutorial class, that's why I'm going ahead to pound and I'm not keeping it to sit for 2 weeks. Hello and welcome back to Geraldine Associates channel. Today we'll be making a hibiscus glowing soap. If you're just joining us, this channel is all about natural skincare and lifestyle. So do click on the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you always get to know once there is new content. So for the hibiscus glowing black soap, here is our black soap already in our mortar that I'll be using to pound, that is mix the soap. This is the hibiscus. It's been dried, hibiscus or zobo petals. It's been dried and blended. So I'll sprinkle it on the black soap. We also need aloe vera, stabilized aloe vera gel. Then you now soak, you cover up everything in honey. You already know what honey does. A very good humectant that leaves the skin hydrated, and is very good as an antibacterial agent, and also lightens skin discolorations. So if you need something to help you glow, just know honey should be included in it. Just cover up everything with honey, cover it all up. So we added the black soap, hibiscus powder, aloe vera gel, and honey. You can add as much honey as you want, the more the better. You cover it all up, you soak it. Then now I pound to get everything well incorporated. When making yours, like I always say, you can leave for like 2 weeks to sit for like 2 weeks before you now pound and package. Because this is a tutorial class, that's why I'm going ahead to pound and I'm not keeping it to sit for 2 weeks. Keep pounding till all the hard crumbs of the soap are well incorporated. But if you go the route of soaking for like 2 weeks, leaving for 2 weeks, you don't really need to do much work. You can even mix it straight on with your hands, because everything would have melted well into the soap. I'm sure you know what hibiscus can do to the skin. It's very good in exfoliating, so this is a very good exfoliating soap. You should exfoliate your skin thoroughly to leave a beautiful glow. But it is advised that while making use of this soap, stay away from heavy acid on the skin, like lactic acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, any form of acid. Just stay away from them while you are making use of the soap. I don't know if you've ever tried using a hibiscus toner. If you feel that made you glow, then you should try this soap to see the kind of glow it will give to your skin. If you are using any other form of exfoliating product, when you commence with this soap, you might have to take a break on them and reintroduce them little by little, because you know over exfoliation is not good. So you wouldn't want to be using a soap that exfoliates and still be using other products that exfoliate at the same time. You can stop them when you first start. Then if your skin, as your skin can take it, you now reintroduce them little by little. You can even use a hand mixer to mix your soap. Yes, you can. The hand mixer that you use in whipping body butter, you can use it to mix your soap as well. That's after it is well soaked, not while it is hard. Maybe after you've left it for like 2 weeks to soak, then you just get your hand mixer and just whip the soap into a lovely homogeneous mixture. So here we are. The soap is all ready, well mixed. So you're good to go. You apply on your body, you wash and go. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you got value. Do give this video a thumbs up and share as well. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to be the first to get notified whenever there is new content. For those of you having issues with acne, the Acne Handbook, A Guide to Getting Rid of Acne, is a book that breaks down acne into bits and pieces in letting you know what your skin is actually saying whenever you have acne on different parts of your body. It also talks about the causes of acne, what predisposes your skin to having acne, the myths and the facts about acne, affirmations you can use to change your mindset about your skin in order to finally have a flawless skin, and the steps to go from an acne-ridden skin to a clear complexion. To get your own copy of the Acne Handbook, click on the link in the description of this video to order for yours. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Cheers.